This is my scrapping room, and this just evolved in about a 2-week period. This is where I do my small work and stuff that I can do inside where it's warm. Yeah. And it is a mess. I've got 3 or 4 loads of stuff here today. There's my aluminum cans, circuit boards, number 1 copper, number 2 copper, trash. There's my little work table there with a heater, and different stuff over here, motor, metals, copper bearing motor, steel, small steel, so on, so on, so on. Everybody, I'm sure gets the idea. But I want to show you what I found today, and where I really scored is I got this blower here. There's no connection, no tube for it, but it works. Here's the big find. Look at that circular saw. I know it's kind of dark in here, but it's a Black & Decker circular saw. Works fine. Thumbs up. Got this battery charger. Charges 3 different kind of batteries. Works fine. Stapler works fine. I got calls here. I got one guy, one TV. Let me put it this way. I got about 4 TVs I got to pick up tomorrow, and I took about 4 TVs apart today. So I'm keeping busy. I found this also. It doesn't work, but you can use it manually. Got a good pull on that. Yeah, boy. Oh, let's check this out. Jumper cables. Jumper cables, 2. More circuit boards to tear apart. Oscar! Where is he at? Where is he at? Well, there you are! Hi, Oscar! Hi! Oscar, hey. Here, get in the camera. Okay, I gotta go back scrapping some more. A little bit more tonight anyway.